Hi, I am super excited to show you the walkthrough of this Traveler's Notebook that I just finished. I was actually gifted a Traveler's Notebook by a friend of mine named Stacy, and she gave me the okay to be inspired by her work and kind of, use that as a guide for when I was making this one. So I'm going to give her the credit. I'm going to be doing a tutorial with her okay. And so thank you, Stacy, for letting me copy it because it's really cute. So first of all, this is a leather cover. So this is not obviously paper, but I liked the look of this color pink, of course. And so I thought leather would be very durable, and I plan on using it a lot or gifting it. I haven't decided yet. It's always hard sometimes for me to get rid of stuff that I really like. But so she had mentioned the one she gave me had a pen loop, and this one does not. So I will probably have to make some sort of dashboard and put in some sort of pen loop, and I'll probably use this. I didn't really like this pocket, but I might attach paper clips or something to this. So this is just basically a little dashboard. I could even attach things to this with maybe make some cute paper clips. So the first insert, so these can be made as reusable. So let me open this first of all, and this is a pocket, so you can put things. I should have probably put a cut apart in there or something, but this does that fit? Oh my gosh, it does. I'm going to leave this in here. I'll probably go back and put paper on it, but yeah, perfect. So that's a little pocket, and just tie it closed so it will hold stickers or whatever you need. This paper is so cute. No matter what you do with it, it's going to turn out adorable. Okay. So when you open it, these inserts she created. So I didn't even make the inserts. She did. And she gave them to me already put together. So that was so thoughtful and so nice. I can do it because she gave me some ideas on what I could do. And she provided me with some of these graph booklets and stuff. But anyway, this inside cover, I just put this in there to kind of hold the cover down, but these are replaceable. So you take out the booklet and then just tuck in a new one underneath this right here. So then the back of this one is an envelope, and I only glued it on 3 sides so that I could put an insert or, a little mat in there. And then when you open it, it's just a regular envelope, so you can store stuff in there. I use my envelope punch board for that. And you do kind of need some of this stuff. You need to make it flat, but there are some spots where this book is pretty thick. The Traveler's Notebook, it's kind of wide. So this is just a pocket. So I made an L pocket, and I fussy cut this girl so that she comes over the side here. So I thought that looked good, and I just left that black so it would stand out. And then I just put this cut apart in there. So it kind of goes like so, and I just glued these skates on the bottom. Again, on the inside, this one is just a pocket to hold things. So it's basically the same design as what holds the inserts, but I just didn't put an insert in there. Love this paper right here. So cute. I got to make a book with just that as the cover. And then on the back, just did some layering. These are open, and they're like corner pieces. And I had these 3-dimensional, what do you call that? Resin, cabochon records. So it is a little bit thick, but it's super cute. And so you can tuck things in there also. Again, I should have had something tucked in there to show you. Let me just get... hold on. Oh, jeez. So things can tuck in. This is too big, obviously. Okay, so then I did use a graphic 45 tag here, put it on a little cockeyed on purpose. Added some color here with the ribbon, just matted a cut apart and stuck it in underneath. And then on the inside of this one, just use some of the ephemera and put pretty much everything on the black paper. And then the back, did the same thing, just to kind of help hold this down. This one I just did a pocket on a narrow pocket on the back, made a mat. This one is a pocket. This was her idea. I copied this from the one she had given me, but then I used the punch that I have to make it the pull tab. These skates are both matted on black paper, and then I put a piece of chipboard under it so that it could have some dimension and kind of stick up a little bit. Okay, and then on the inside, here's the little diner menu. And on the back, this is just the clock. And I just did a cut apart that or the piece of the ephemera that I mounted on black paper and put a cut apart in there. And then this is like another dashboard. I might laminate these. Maybe I'll do that because I do have a laminator, and then stick those in there. That might make it more durable. So I love chunky planners, and this would constitute as a chunky planner, I think. So let me show you the top view. That looks pretty chunky, but there's room to grow also. For those of you who are curious, this is called a B6 size, and the spine is about I'd say about 2 1/4 inches wide. So a B6 is usually about 5 by 7. Okay, but oh, I love this color pink for the cover. It was totally for me. So anyway, I hope I'm going to do another one using Life is Beautiful. I have another one of these Traveler's Notebooks coming in a teal color, and so I'm going to make one using Life is Beautiful. I think that'll be super cool, very pretty. And then I had this charm in my stash. So maybe if there's Life is Beautiful charms, that would be perfect. Then I could hang the charm. I wonder if I'll have to check the website for Country Craft Creations to see if they have the charms for Homer's Diner and for Life is Beautiful, because that's what I'm going to use next. So just want to do a quick walkthrough. It's super cute. As a teacher, I use planners all the time. I actually use like 3 planners, one for home, one for school, excuse me, and then just one for my crafting. So 3 of them. I love them. All right, I will be doing a tutorial. It's going to be a quick one because really I just need to show you the inserts, and then you can decorate them how you like. The inserts, you can just use plain paper, so I can kind of show you how you can attach those if you want. But I've done other ones where I've shown you how to do inserts. I used 3 holes to attach mine. I think she used 4 or 5. Let me see here. I've got a copy of one I can show you. So this was the insert before it went into the slip cover. So 1, 2, 3. So she does 5 holes when she attaches her booklets. But how perfect is that for a teacher, the lined paper? So I didn't decorate these because they just slide into the pockets. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I do plan on doing a tutorial. I could make these all day. I love them. So, and I think they'd make fabulous gifts, which they did because Stacy gave me one as a gift. All right, everybody, have a great night.